Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to put image behind text in Microsoft Word. Like and subscribe to support this channel. Let's get started. So to put the image behind the text, we do the following. Select the image and then click on the layout options icon in the upper right corner. If you don't have such an icon, then go to the picture format tab and click wrap text. In this list, we are interested in the behind text option. Select it. It's needed so that we can freely move the image around the document page. Now let's make a short inscription and immediately make it a little brighter. Great, hold down the left mouse button on the image and drag it behind the text. Like that. Wonderful. Sometimes when using the behind text option, the image is completely hidden behind the text and there is no way to move it somewhere or simply select it. In this case, use the select button in the editing section, click select objects, and now you can freely move the image or select another option for the image. You can also view and select each of the objects that are on the current page by clicking Selection pane. That's all I wanted to say. Now you know a little more. Thanks for watching.